My name is Aleeza Nadeem and now we're back with a new video of the exercise. So if you don't watch my previous videos, so make sure to watch it. So I'm back. So I bring new exercises and new self-defense technique today. So here's my mother also, and today we will start with the exercises. So first we will start with the first exercise. So we will do this exercise with our right hand first, like this. 1, 2. We have to move in now. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have to bring our hand forward. Okay, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, over here we are done with the first exercise. So now we'll move towards the self-defense technique. So with the first self-defense technique is that if somebody approaches you with the shoulder, this. So if somebody gives you with the shoulder, so in this position, what you have to do, you have to bring your left hand, like the hand which is free, because in this hand the shoulder has been gripped. So with this hand, you have to bring it over. You have to grip it with this hand, and now like this. Now we'll do it fast, like this. Like this. In this way, his elbow will be bent and he will fall down. So. And now we'll do the same thing with the other shoulder grip also. Like if he grips from this shoulder, so we have to bring our left hand the right hand like this, and we have to it's like this. Okay, so now we'll move towards the second self-defense technique. That if somebody is trying to slap you, so how you can self-defense of yourself. Okay, so if somebody is trying to slap you, so with this hand you have to. We have to hit our elbow, and the foot you have to do. So this way his knee will be bent, and this way he or she will become disbalanced. Okay, so now we'll continue with the further exercises. So now let's get started with the fourth exercise. In this you have to make a balance line. You have to put your right knee like this, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The other leg you have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now we'll be moving towards the fifth exercise. So in the fifth exercise, what you have to do, you have to make a punch, and you have to put all the way downwards like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so as we're done with the fourth and fifth exercise, so now we'll be moving towards the sixth exercise. So the sixth exercise that we're going to do is you have to grip your right foot, and you have to go down like this. You have to make a balance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The other leg you have to grip a left hand, and you have to go down like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And uplift your knee as much as you can. We have done fourth, fifth, and sixth exercises. So now we're moving towards the seventh exercise. That is your knee exercise. In this, what you have to do, you have to go down like this, and you have to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This way your knees will be relaxed. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so now we have done 4, 5, 6, 7th exercise. So now we're moving towards the last. It is the 8th exercise. In this you have to take a support like this, and you have to 1, 2. You have to do 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If the other leg, we have to do, if you take a support of the counters, it's forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in today's video we have done 2 self-defense technique, and further we have done the exercises. So hope you guys enjoyed all over the video and find these exercises very beneficial for you. And it's very good that if you would do these exercises at home, it make you healthy, fit and confident also. So that's it for today. Till see you in the next tomorrow's video. After that, bye bye.